Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is June 18, 2021, Friday, and it is 11:27 ng umaga, and it feels like it's already around 4 in the afternoon kasi hindi siya maaraw guys, but it's actually warm, but we just can't see the sun. So we are in Jylland, that is 5 hours away from where we live, and we've been on the road since 6 in the morning. And yeah, because there will be an event with Martin's group of friends. He got this group of people who is into metal music, and normally they will meet up every year for a festival. It's called Copenhagen Festival. Kaya lang, it is cancelled kasi nga corona. So all of them decided to rent a summer house here in Jylland. We're gonna be there in 15 minutes actually, and so everybody will be there. And they also rented a band, and I don't know the band, it's a Danish band, and it's metal music they're playing. So they're gonna be there in the summer house also, and then they're gonna play music, so it's gonna be fun. I hope also for me, because you know I'm not really into that kind of music, but I will be there. And yeah, I'm just gonna drink and I'm just gonna eat. I think so. That's just what I'm gonna do, because music wise, to be honest, I don't really enjoy it so much. It's more of, it's not music for me, it's noise, it's shouting.
Be quiet, woman, just be quiet.
Shouting, and it's just really, I don't understand the kind of music. But anyway, I will be there because it fit in with the schedule, because I'm off today, Saturday, Sunday. So yeah, and I also want to see new place, another place, so it will be fun to see the summer house. And they said it is near the beach, so I think if it gets too much in the summer house with all those crazy drunk people, then I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna have my peace. But let's see. How you feel?
I feel angry
Why?
because you're in the car with me.
Why?
Like having a fucking wops in your ear. Make it like me. Fucking annoying woman you are.
Oh, really? I think you love me so much. Don't you think? Don't you feel? You feel. You feel.
Yeah, frustrated. Anger.
Duh. So anyway guys, so in 30
Anyway,
minutes...
guys, we need to go shop in a moment.
So but anyway,
This girl need her rise.
So in 30 minutes we're gonna be there, but before that we have to go to a supermarket because we forgot our rice, we forgot some things we have to buy. Yeah, so I have to search actually where is the nearest supermarket in the place. So see you later.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything.
Hello guys, andito na kami sa summer house, and we're so early actually. It's just me and Martin here right now, and yung camera ko guys, namatay siya. So I'm using my phone, and as you can see, it's so pretty. It's a big summer house actually, and the best part is yung beach, yung dagat is nandyan lang. So we can actually swim. So it's so nice, and it's a bit cold today. Not that cold, I mean it's acceptable cold. So yeah, so it's nice to be outside, and hintay-hintay lang muna kami na dumating sila kasi wala kaming no, wala kaming keys guys. So kinukuha pa nila ngayon and right now it's still so quiet. Pero mamaya konti, dirami na yung mga tao dito and then they're gonna start drinking and all that. So we're just gonna enjoy the day actually. So yon. So beautiful. So this is the outside guys. There, ang ganda niya. And then that's the water there. And that's the house in there. Kami mag-stay ni Martin guys. There's a lot of rooms actually. And parang pangbarkada talaga siya. So there, gamit namin nandyan. Opposite na room. There you go. Sofa, and then there's one big line of beds. So ano talaga siya, yung place is made for ang tawag ng group of people na pwedeng mag-get together. So this is the outside. Guys, ano din, may room din sa baba. Medyo mas malaki yun. And koyesing ang tawag nun. Parang, alam yung bed na taas, baba, double deck. So yun, but then, me and Martin's gonna stay there. So,
A sticky summer's day in Shepherdstown.
good morning guys. I just woke up. And actually, nakatulog ako kagabi. Nag-party sila, ganyan-ganyan. Pero I got so tired. Mga 6 ata yun mga 8 ng gabi. And of course, parang the party is still so early, right? So I decided, okay, I'm gonna go upstairs, like here. And, matutulog ako ng mga 1 hour lang. Tapos nakatulog ako guys, nang nagising ako, it's already 6 in the morning. So yun. So, ang haba ng tulog ko. And then, I'm gonna show you. It's so nice. Yung namin, yung parang view namin sa labas. Martin is, I've been sleeping in this bed here. Double deck reminds me of my life in Manila where we were sleeping, yung double deck, yung matutulugan. But anyway, I slept well. I'll show you the view outside. There, it's so pretty. Open namin yung window kasi maaraw, guys. So, lang talaga, walking distance lang sa dagat. There. Good morning.
Outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth, and I'm not leaving while you're breathing. I won't run away. side.